I'm in my boxers.
Oh, I thought you were recording or something.
I am.
I messed up, dude. Pretty bad.
Goodness, dude.
Pretty bad. My freaking hands are the worst. I don't
Really?
do anything else.
Your hands? Wow. Man, that's so crazy, dude.
Sucks.
It shut off on you, didn't it?
Yeah, it just shut. I was just going and it just went.
That's where you at full speed?
I was getting there.
It'll do that. Was the battery dead?
I think so. It was almost dead, and then it was just my hands, you know, because I landed on them, and then I was so far away, and I was like, I'm just gonna get back on it right home, and it did it again, and it was worse. I landed on my hands again, and it cut down all the way to the meat.
Oh my gosh, that's just
Like I was all right. I was like, oh, it's just my hands, you know, none of this.
Why were you going so fast the second time though?
I wasn't going fast the second time. I just did it again, and I
goodness.
landed on the same thing.
Dude, that's the worst pain ever, man.
It's so bad. It was the worst. I've never endured that kind of pain.
Guys, we might have to quit YouTube. I mean, we're both out.
It happens all the time. If you get hurt really bad, I get hurt really bad. Like a couple of days later.
I know, but I'm already like good. I think you'll. When do you think you'll be good? Like a couple of days, maybe.
I'm already like I'm a lot better.
The pain is gone, right?
The pain is gone.
Dude, that's like the worst pain ever. The road rash on your hands.
Dude, it was either my head or my hands, so I just landed on my hands.
Better your hands than your head, man.
Dude, it sucks.
Dude.
I want to throw those.
One wheel's away.
I just want to run them over, dude.
I know. I think probably better to wear gloves if you ever ride them again, and a helmet.
Yeah, for
Those
sure.
things are dangerous, but man, I guess you're gonna have to rest up for a couple of days.
Yeah, it sucks.
For sure. What else? Anything else? Just your stomach right there, and
just my stomach. That's
any joints hurting?
My
Your hamstring or something?
No, my ankle is done.
Oh man, did you try to run when you fall? Like, you know?
Yes, I was running really fast. I was running super fast, but then I couldn't. I was trying to run into the grass.
Dang, that's crazy. I remember when that happened to me though, like, and I rolled though. So I don't know.
Okay, I was going
my body
fast
just
for
did
that.
its like own thing.
Me too.
But man, that sucks. I got a picture. He sent me a picture of like that. I don't know if I'll put it up there. It's too graphic.
I mean, I didn't want to go to the hospital, but then the pain kicked in, and I was like, dude, I'm just gonna go.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy right there.
Bad. It sucks, but this ain't nothing. This is just a speed bump.
It's a little speed bump. You know what? We're gonna recover.
Oh yeah.
I'm already in the healing stages.
Let me see. Oh dang, that looks way better.
Not too bad. You know what I mean? But maybe God is trying to tell us something.
We got
man.
this.
We got this. Let's get.
I need to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, so we started the video off a little bit different right now, and the crane is actually outside. I filmed some of that this morning, but you know I'm gonna roll it right now. You're just gonna stay inside. I
might go outside. I'm probably gonna walk around a little bit. I'm good.
How's your fingertips over here?
Dude, this finger right here, half of it is missing. Like half of the fingertip.
Oh my goodness.
It just like ate it up.
Oh my goodness.
And I seen that, I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna go to the hospital.
Wow. Tragic situation here, man. Very.
Yeah, dude, those electric things.
One
wheels, electric scooters, they're all dangerous. You know, people lose their lives on those things.
Yeah, I know you kind of get a little bit too comfortable, and you're just like get to them high speeds, and like you're not thinking about like you're having so much fun. You're not thinking about what could happen. You know?
Yeah, it was chill, man. I was on that thing for like 4 hours, and then
wow, and it just cut off. It kind of sucks that those things do that. Like,
when you lean, it just stopped, and I was like, what?
That's messed up, man. You know what? We should just destroy them things.
That's what I want to. I just want to destroy it.
They're so dangerous, dude. It's not worth it, man.
This ain't only me. You fell on it too really hard and messed your leg up.
Dude, I was like I pulled like a hamstring, and then like I got a bunch of road rash, hit my head a little bit.
See, they're dangerous.
Dude, they're very dangerous. Do it.
I got a scar from it too.
Oh, she got hurt too, man.
Everybody getting hurt on. We need to just get rid of
I guess we just need to be more careful, more mindful.
You know, people say stick to 4 wheels when people get on 2 wheels, but we're getting on 1 wheel.
Yeah, I know, right?
So that's even the worst.
Yeah, I guess it's just part of life, man. You live and you learn as long as you know what, you're still, you got all your limbs, you know what I mean?
Good, man.
Your brain is good. That's the most important thing. You know, you can recover, you can heal, and you know what, we're going to be back. You're going to be back probably, I'm already back, but you're going to probably be back in a couple of days.
Yeah, so, I don't think I can be back, but I'm not going to use my hands. Like, maybe I start learning how to use my feet to do something.
Dude, trust me. Trust me. He's going to figure something out. I guarantee it.
Oh, yeah. I got my fingers still.
There's no way you're going to be able to just sit around.
I can't sit around. I mean, obviously I can't use my stuff, but I can't. I mean, I'm still walkable. You know?
Walkable. But, yeah, he's still walkable. That's the most important thing. We're going to figure some stuff out. We're going to get some stuff done. Alrighty guys, so over here at the new Goon Squad house build, the crane is out here and they are in full-blown operation. They take the framers a little bit to figure that sucker out because they don't use a crane very often, but you know what, once they had a little bit of time with it, they just started flowing and just moving right along. And believe it or not, that crane actually won't reach to the very edge of the house, I guess because the house is so tall. So what they had to do was get the truss up there, then they had to kind of maneuver it, shimmy it by hand, and they were able to get that very first truss down over there, but the rest of the trusses the crane can reach. And it's just so awesome just having a crane out here and just watching how much faster they can move versus doing it all by hand. Honestly, I don't think they'd be able to do that by hand. That is just way too dangerous up there, but Juan and his crew, they are just absolutely moving right along super fast. It's only been like 2 hours or so and they already almost got half of the house of the trusses knocked out. So that's just super awesome right there. And actually Eleazar just pulled up as well. He kind of just checked out a few things. He ran to the Walmart to grab some ointment or whatnot because, I mean, his injuries are looking pretty rough right there. But you know what? He is ready to recover and he's ready to get back out here. But you know what? I'm gonna try to probably film as much of this house as possible because I would like to get something out for you guys. Although I would kind of like to take it easy, that's just something in me just telling me, no, don't take it easy, man. Get some stuff done. And I might even go to the new Goon Squad garage and maybe work on the Porsche a little bit. But Pops is out here as well. He's just helping them out, like kind of just telling the crane guy how to like maneuver stuff. But you know what? The crane guy's got the best job in the house right there, man. He just got to find some shade, look pretty, and just hit some buttons, man. That's actually a pretty cool job to get into right there. And I think you pay a crane operator or a crane guy, I think like $70 to $100 an hour. So that's just something that I thought was pretty interesting. But anyways, let's just film some of this and I guess we'll just see where this video takes us. Alrighty guys, so we are over here at the new Goon Squad garage after watching all the trusses get thrown on at the new Goon Squad house. I gotta say that was pretty crazy. They knocked it out pretty quick. They still got a few more little trusses here and there over like the patio, over the porches, which we're gonna let them work while we do some of our work of our own over here. But anyways, that crane guy actually charged us $975, which I think it was like $130 per hour. So not too crazy, definitely worth it. But anyways, what we're gonna do over here at the new Goon Squad garage, instead of working on the Porsche, is actually work on that office over there. And what we got to do is paint all the walls in there. That's why I grabbed this device right here, because we got to either spray it or roll it. We'll see what we come up with, because I think I'm gonna run to the Home Depot and maybe grab some paint and some brushes, some rollers, and a bunch of goodies. And the reason why we want to finish that up first is because in order for the electricians to come out here and trim out all the stuff in there, they actually want us to go ahead and paint the walls. So that's the very first thing we got to do in order to proceed with this whole entire build. But the first thing that we're gonna work on is getting our stomachs full, because we are just starving, and we got some goods over here. We got some tzatziki's, we got some salad with some salmon, and we're gonna sprinkle some dang sauce on it right there. So let's go ahead and dig in. And what do you say, Pops? Let's eat.
Yeah.
Let's eat and then paint. Let's do it. See it? Look at my eyeball. That's how you know we was painting, man. We got that whole entire office looking spot on. Did a bunch of paint work, but we ran out of paint. We used up that whole entire 5-gallon bucket of paint, and it's looking good in there. We did the brush method, of course, hit all the edges with the brush, and then we did the roller method. The thing that got me real good right here, all this paint all over me, is from painting the ceiling. So the ceiling, when you paint the ceiling, you gotta go back and forth, and it just slings all over the place. But you know what? Now the electricians can come in there and actually go ahead and trim everything out, finish their job up. There is one more wall that we gotta paint in the actual garage area, not the office, the one back wall, but that'll be super easy to do. We'll probably do it tomorrow in the morning. But you know what? That's gonna be it for today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elazar. Happy birthday. It's his birthday, actually, to you. How does it feel?
It feels awesome, man. I just feel like I'm just getting older. Or I feel young though, but I feel like I'm getting
That's
older.
what I was thinking, honestly, when we were talking about like the accident, like I had an accident, you had an accident. I was thinking like, man, dude, we're probably just getting old, dude.
Yeah, I know. We can't handle those electric scooters and stuff anymore.
But no, it's part of it. I remember back in the day we used to always get hurt too.
All the time, man.
So you want to kind of just briefly go over what happened, I guess. Make it a little bit more simple. Because I know we talked about it in the beginning, but we didn't really give him, like, more context to the situation.
Well, now that I feel a lot better, I mean, my hands are not hurting no more. I'm taking medication and stuff like that. Actually healing pretty fast. And, well, actually happened, I was just riding around on that one wheel for a couple of hours, like probably 5-6 hours, going through some country roads. It was Father's Day. We went out to see family, just driving around. And then I was just driving at this one spot. It was going pretty fast, like with that one wheel. And then I don't know what happened. It just stopped, like going full speed. I think it was just I leaned too far forward or something, but it just cut out. Nowhere to land. I was running, but I was just going too fast. Can't run 20 miles an hour. I couldn't jump into the grass because it was too far away on the side of the road. So I just landed on a very, very rough road and tore my hands up. And
Two times.
Yes, I was far away from the house. So I got back on it. I was like, oh, dang, that sucks. I'm going to have to bandage this up. So I get back on it. And I'm not riding near as fast as I did before. I'm just taking it easy. And it cuts off again, and I land on my same hands. And then I landed on my arm, and then my leg, and then my stomach, because I did not want to, when I knew I was falling again, I didn't want to hurt it one more time, but I did, and it went it went past the skin. And then I knew I had to call and come pick me up because it was so bad. Like at first, I can endure some road rash. I mean, we've had it whenever we were kids all the time, but it went past road rash. It went like past everything. So went to the hospital. They helped me out with some medication, and I don't know how fast I'm gonna heal. This stuff is already dry, and look, it's already the second day. It's already pretty dry. I'm about to unwrap this, wash it, and let it dry up, and I'll be back as new. That's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today's video. It kind of sucks that this happened, but you know what? Things happen in life, and you just gotta keep moving. But you know what? Simon's taking over. He's doing a really great job, and I'm just gonna be back as soon as I possibly can. Definitely drop your suggestions down below if any of you know how to recover faster from road rash. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Be sure to drop your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.